So here's my garage sale find today. This plastic box, it says attachments, and I don't know if you can see it, but it says sewing machine underneath. It's kind of heavy plastic. I like it. $1. And I got a bulb. I hope will fit one of my machines. And I got two of these. Here's the bulb. I got two of these little circles for the spools. And a couple of screwdrivers. And Tammy was saying she couldn't see from the angle what these might go to. So I'm going to show you these feet better. Can you tell by looking what kind of machine? There's that one. There's this thingy. I think that's a seam guide. And they're probably all the same for the same machine. So, can you tell? And then here's the plates. This one's kind of thick. And here's the other one. This one's, see my polka dot phone in there? Like my polka dot phone? This one's not as thick. And here's more feet. This is a cute one. There's this one. This might be a Hemmer. I'm not sure. And then there's this thingy, which I have one with one of my other machines, and somebody told me what it is, and I can't remember. And then there was a sewing machine needle, too. This little one. So that was what I got for $1 today. And even if I can't use all the goodies, I'm going to be able to use the felt thingies, and I love the box, and maybe the bulb, and the screwdrivers. Thanks for looking. Bye.